So, you dey see that beautiful thing where Luchi hold up? Yes. November 10 is trending.
Yes.
Something big they happen for that day. But the only thing be say, Bonanza day, where you go feel do it, where you go feel win. The only thing be say, you go take one nice picture with this your own. Where you don't put November 10. Hashtag November 10. Come take your picture. Post and make sure say you copy Wazobia TV NG.
Instagram.
On top Instagram. Take any kind of picture. If you take your family, if you take your dog, if you take as they fly off a bridge, if you take as they fly off a plane, any picture will get the most likes. Chop chop day. If you win recharge card, Samsung Galaxy phones, iPads, branded t-shirts, decoder, plenty things the way you go do. The only thing we say, hashtag November 10, make sure say you at Wazobia TV NG. That is all you need to do. And if your picture get the most likes that week, chopulating.
Yeah.
And as I talk, that one very important. November 1st too is important.
Oh yeah.
Yes, so Madam Live on stage is important that day. So if you want to win today, we'll give one ticket of the show till the rest of the week. The only thing we say what you go need to do is say you go on top of our Facebook. Yes, you go tell me what will be the name, the theme of this year's Oga Madam Live on stage. If you get them, you go to win one ticket. 5 people go win this week on top of the Good Morning Naija show. So just do it in. Go on top of our Facebook. Tell us what will be the theme of Oga Madam Live on stage season 4 this year 2015, happening at the Museum Center on the 1st of November. All of us go there. So if you want a picture, rack up and go buzzo. So don't dull yourself at all. Or if you want to buy your ticket, just go to ariaticket.com. On top online, you could get them.
Honorable,
we go get husband way never even supporting wife.
No. Because they say this is supporting. Now this is not the follow since. Oh, no, come back now. You do eye service.
I hear of November 1.
Come back now. You do eye service.
When you have a husband that does not know
November 1. I don't hear November 1. Say
you don't know what happen for November 1. Now your wife dey do am. Wait now. You don't money, you don't contribute for that concert.
Say they don't give you appointments.
What is it?
They happen for November 1.
When you get husband, when no sabi wife hustle.
Super baby.
These are the kind of husband when you go ask whether na skirt they wear. I beg match it. Go to where your princess today. I am not interested. Go to where your princess today. She's there without the TLC that you need. She's there. Give it to him.
Where are you? They happen for November 1.
Nah, show what she want to.
Show. Witness they want show for the show.
Plenty things they there.
Oh no, but I should stop chopping. Oh no, but I stop chopping. I just remember now. Rice. Where would they buy before? You know, say now price don't change. Because they don't come remove the ban where they on top am. You they ask me what we go chop for show. When rice waiting for inside our house, for my container, rice don't finish. Now, the organ pata for inside custom, they inside quantity, they answer question on top this rice ban. Wait, don't come outside, don't come out the ban. Honorable, you when they chop my rice, where? Not be only Benin rice in the shop, because you chop my rice where? Honorable, man, finish.
If you're hungry, and the other options, people they drink garri.
Honorable, so wait, so you like this, so you like as the ban?
I tell
you like as the leave this ban?
If we get
I call day there now. I call day there for you to take.
Internal production about it.
How many production you don't do for yourself locally?
On a gradual process.
Which gradual process? Now by March you go talk about gradual process. Now only by March.
Get them stationed in different parts of the country. Now with time they will grow.
Which time? Which year? Which century?
Talk to me. Any better news? They know they.
I beg now the Amici will wait for tomorrow now.
Okay.
What do you think will be the outcome from this?
Well, now pass and go. I don't know, but now you go better.
Pass and go, okay.
So come. They will question on what they question on finish. What you go have they will still give her the ministerial position.
You don't see her for your dream. I mean, you don't consult your people there.
No, a
man that knows the state of the nation more than the state of his own home. Is that not a man to be celebrated?
Indeed.
Uncle B, you are such a great man.
I can see that.
Such a great man. These are people where they talk. I hope that they will not give you any ministerial appointment. You that cannot even roll the wheels of your own house.
It's not your bad luck or your
Point
wish.
your finger, come down small.
They will. Even more than the ministerial appointment.
Now, Benin, which is a fly for daytime.
You know, so
your wife no dey hide the
airline
wings. Now for the show, now she dey hide her wings. He dey there where she dey wear them.
They don't get
her chicken feathers where the feathers don't already
As long
pluck
as I never
finish.
see any wing.
Move.
Don't put. What you go now?
Waiting now by force. You know, since I draw line for grand. Why you dey pass your boundary for here now?
All right, so let's back. Maybe you can just take some break. When we come back after the break, we could do other things. Let them keep on insulting.
I beg, send the team.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.
As we dey carry